Welcome to this tutorial video for Microsoft Excel 2019, Working with Charts. When large amounts of data are presented in numerical form, making sense of all those numbers can be overwhelming. Presenting the same data in a graphical form can make the data much easier to process. This video is designed to provide you with the skills you need to create basic charts in Microsoft Excel. After watching this video, you'll be able to identify basic chart types, create basic charts, and customize basic charts. So let's begin by covering what a chart is. In Microsoft Excel, a chart is a tool that you can use to present numerical data in a graphic form. Presenting data in this way allows others to more easily see trends and patterns in the data. Microsoft Excel has several different types of charts. The first are column charts. With column charts, vertical bars are used to represent the data. Column charts are most commonly used to compare two or more sets of data. In this example that you see here, this column chart is comparing the material circulation with the electronic circulation for a span of time covering 6 months. The next type of charts are bar charts. With bar charts, horizontal bars are used to represent the data. Bar charts are most commonly used to compare two or more sets of data, and they function just like column charts, except that they use horizontal bars instead of vertical ones. In this example that you see here, this bar chart is also comparing material circulation with electronic circulation over the course of 6 months. The next type are line charts. With line charts, data points are plotted on the chart and lines are used to connect the points. Line charts are most commonly used to show increasing and decreasing data trends over time. In this example that you see here, this line chart is illustrating the material and electronic circulation fluctuations over the course of 6 months. The final type are pie charts. With pie charts, data values are shown as slices of the pie. Pie charts are most commonly used to compare portions of a whole. In this example that you see here, this pie chart shows how Scenic Regional Library's circulation was distributed across the 3 counties that we serve. Now that we've covered the basic types of charts, let's move on and cover how to create them. The process we are covering on creating a basic chart assumes that you've already entered all of the data into the spreadsheet. So to begin creating a chart from that data, you will begin by clicking, holding, and dragging to select all of the data in your chart, including the column titles and any row labels. Next, go up to the ribbon and click on the Insert tab. And towards the middle are all the different chart types. You'll need to click on the type of chart category that you want to use, and a drop-down menu will display. Simply click on the type of chart you'd like to use, and you'll see that Microsoft Excel displays that chart in your worksheet. Once displayed, you can click, hold, and drag to move the chart around, and if you need to rename it, you can click on the chart title and highlight the text that is there by clicking, holding, and dragging, and then type the title for your chart. After you've created a chart, you might need to customize it, so let's go over a few ways that you can do that. First, let's talk about switching the row and column data. Sometimes when your chart is created, the data isn't grouped the way you thought it would be grouped. You can try switching the row and column source data to see if that groups your data in a way that you like better. In order to switch your row and column data, you'll begin by clicking on the chart in order to select it. Then, up on the ribbon, go to Switch Row and Column Data, Click on that, and you'll see that the chart has been adjusted. You'll see in the example I just did how Excel switched the data so that the bars now represent the months as opposed to the type of circulation. And if you'd rather change it back, you can go up to your Quick Access toolbar and click the Undo button. And it will put it back the way it was. Another way that you can customize your charts is by changing your chart color. Microsoft Excel has a default color scheme it uses when creating charts. However, you can change that color scheme with just a few clicks of your mouse. In order to change your chart color, simply click on your chart to select it, and then up in the ribbon, click the Change Colors button, and a drop-down menu will come down. You just simply need to click on the color scheme that you'd like to use. Then the chart will adjust. If you decide you liked the previous color scheme better, you simply need to go up to the Quick Access toolbar and click Undo, and it'll change the chart back to the way it was. A final way that you can customize your chart is by changing your chart style. Microsoft Excel has a default style that it uses when creating charts. However, you can change that style with just a few clicks of your mouse. In order to change the style of your chart, you need to click on the chart to select it, and then up in your ribbon, you'll see all these different chart styles that you can use. If you don't like any of those, you can also click on the down arrow and it'll show you a few more. I'm going to choose this one, and you'll see that the chart has adjusted. If you decide you liked the original style better, just go up to your Quick Access toolbar and click Undo, and the chart will change back to the way it was. Hopefully, by watching this video, you now have some skills that you need to create basic charts in Microsoft Excel. Good luck, and thanks for watching.